Hey everybody, Michael Norton from Tramazing, and I want to bring you back to a time around 2008, 2009 when we had the great financial collapse and everything was happening then. This situation seems to be much more urgent, much worse possibly, comes with a lot more uncertainty perhaps. But here's something that was going on during that time. There was a lot of people who found themselves out of work, and they got into a rut or a routine at home that was counterproductive. And one of the best bits of advice or guidance that I had during that time as I was working with folks was, look, if you're at home during this time, the best thing you could do is treat it like any other day when you were fully employed and going to work. Dress for success. Get up, take your shower, get dressed, do your morning routine, whatever that is, and act as if you're going to work, even if you're staying at home. You know, staying around, hanging around in our boxer shorts, our sweats, our pajamas, baseball hat turned backwards. Yeah, it may feel comfortable, but after a while, all of a sudden it's going to feel like, hey, we're on vacation. And this is not the time for that. So if you want to really feel good, and maybe it's just one little piece that helps you feel good, treat today and every day like you had for the past 10 years when you were the most productive and most successful. Get up, start your day, act professional, be professional, and you'll be productive.